Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy pre-sale tickets on Ticketmaster. To get started, open the Ticketmaster PH website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where you can browse available events, including concerts, sports, and festivals. If you are purchasing during a pre-sale window, it is a good idea to have your account ready and stay alert, since popular events can move quickly. From the homepage, click on the sample event shown on screen. This will open the event's detail page, where you can review important information such as the event date, venue, and any available ticket options. Before moving forward, make sure you are on the correct event page, especially if there are multiple dates or similar listings. Next, scroll down until you see the Find Tickets button, then click it. This takes you into the ticket selection area. Depending on demand, the page may take a few moments to load, so be patient and avoid refreshing unless absolutely necessary. Refreshing during high traffic sales can sometimes interrupt your progress. Once you are in the ticketing section, select the sample ticket. At this stage, you may see different seating sections, pricing tiers, or availability options. Choose the option that matches what you want. If you are aiming to complete your purchase quickly, it helps to already know your preferred budget or seating area before you start. After that, click on Best Available. This option is useful if you want the system to automatically assign the best tickets currently available based on the event's inventory. It can save time during pre-sale purchases, especially when tickets are selling fast. If the exact seats you want are unavailable, this is often one of the quickest ways to continue. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the process. The system will guide you through the remaining steps, which may include confirming your ticket selection, reviewing your order, and proceeding through checkout. Read each screen carefully before continuing and double-check the details shown, including ticket quantity, section, and total cost. As a final tip, move through each page promptly but carefully. Pre-sale tickets are often limited, so timing matters, but accuracy is just as important. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your payment method is ready before you begin. With that, you should be all set to buy pre-sale tickets on Ticketmaster quickly and smoothly.